I got the pantry shelf done. Now I just gotta hang it. But I think first, before I do that, I want to paint the wall. That way I've got the wall done and the shelf on it and everything all finished in that part of the pantry. Steps after steps. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. I decided that hanging the shelf prior to painting was probably a good idea. That way if I change my mind a few times, which happens, I wouldn't be putting holes in my newly painted wall. So anyways, the shelf is done. I've got it mounted on the wall. Now we have to go through and do a whole lot of repair work to the walls. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.